Question 12. What is parallel projection? Answer. The production of the 2D display of the 3D scene is called projection. Project points on the object surface along the parallel lines onto the display plane. Different 2D views of objects can be produced by projecting the visible points. Question 13. Explain blobby object. Answer. Some objects do not maintain a fixed shape, but change their surface characteristics in certain motions or when in proximity to other objects. That is known as blobby objects. Example: molecular structures, water droplets. Question 14. Can you please explain the difference between Bitmap and Pixmap? Answer. The frame buffer used in the black and white system is known as bitmap, which take 1 bit per pixel. For systems with multiple bits per pixel, the frame buffer is often referred to as a Pixmap. Question 15. What are the merits and demerits of penetration techniques in visualization? Answer. It is an inexpensive technique. It has only 4 colors. The quality of the picture is not good when it is compared to other techniques. It can display color scans in monitors. Question 16. What is non-emissive in visualization? Answer. They are optical effects to convert the sunlight or light from any other source to graphic form. Liquid crystal display is an example. Question 17. What is emissive in visualization? Answer. The emissive display converts electrical energy into light energy. The plasma panels, thin film electroluminescent displays are the examples. Question 18. What is scan code in visualization? Answer. When a key is pressed on the keyboard controller places a code carry to the key pressed into a part of the memory called as the keyboard buffer. This code is called as the scan code. Question 19. Explain some basic features of computer graphics. Answer. The salient feature of computer graphics is the creation and manipulation of graphics, artificial images, by computer. Computer graphics provides a tool called as motion dynamics, which allows user to move object. Question 20. What does Resource Manager in Flex Action script? Answer. Resource Manager now handles access to all localized resources in an application. Any components that extend UI component, formatter, or validator now have a new Resource Manager property, which lets you easily access the singleton instance of this manager. If you're writing some other kind of class that needs to use the Resource Manager, you can call Resource Manager get instance to get a reference to it. Question 21. What does raster scan systems? Answer. Several processing units contains a special purpose processor called video controller or display controller. Video controller, a fixed area of the system memory, is reserved for the frame buffer, and the video controller is given access to the frame buffer memory. 2 registers are used to store the coordinates of the screen pixels. The value is stored in the frame buffer for this pixel position is then retrieved and used to set the intensity of the CRT beam. Initially the X register is set to 0 and the Y register is set to max. Then the X register is incremented by 1, and the process repeated for the next pixel on the top scan line. Question 22. Can you please explain the difference between window port and viewport? Answer. A portion of a picture that is to be displayed by a window is known as window port. The display area of the part selected or the form in which the selected part is viewed is known as viewport.